This brand is made in Taiwan and can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon, but they are only backed by an average warranty. The AC2221 model is a 3-stage air purifier with HEPA, activated carbon, and VOC filters. It has a 5-speed fan that can be controlled by the built-in air quality sensor when the unit is in the auto mode, and a coverage area of up to 200 square feet with a 130 CFM delivery rate. The AC2062G model is a basic purifier that has HEPA, VOC, and an ionizer with a 200 square feet coverage area and a 85 CFM delivery rate. The AC2102 model is a 4-stage purifier with a 4-speed fan and a 465 square feet coverage area with a 361 CFM delivery rate. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.